just because underneath my eyes they're a little bit darker even with foundation, and then sometimes I like to lighten up my foundation. Light it up. I can't believe I said that. That is so weird. But yeah, this concealer I think really helped to snatch those eyebrows because they are in dire need. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the Urban Decay All-Nighter Concealer. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. So I'm going to wait for you guys to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to give you a few seconds. I don't know what the hell that was. But have you subscribed? Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I was literally ecstatic because, oh, bloody hell. Literally have no rhythm whatsoever. I was gifted these two all-night concealers from the Urban Decay team, and do you know what is even more exciting? When they got my colour right. And do you know what? I want to say this is one of the best giftings I've got. Not because it's Urban Decay, obviously like everyone loves Urban Decay and it's a little bit like it's a step up. I'm like, oh my god guys, I'm going places, but purely because sometimes, I don't know if I should say this, but I'm going to say it. Sometimes I think when you do try out beauty products and you are of a certain skin colour, they like to give you colours that are not anywhere near your skin colour, and you're like, what in the world are you thinking? Like, I am black. There's no two ways about it. This skin is black. So yeah, before I show you how I tried and tested, I just want to give you a few details of what this product actually is, because it's not just any concealer. It is an Urban Decay all-nighter concealer. This concealer is waterproof, full coverage concealer. It's a 24-hour matte finish, oil free, and it says this is makeup that stays up. Our waterproof concealer provides full coverage that lasts all day and night. Cover your most scandalous flaws for a perfectly blowout effect. Our ultra pigmented formula controls shine and masks imperfections, including dark circles, for up to 24 hours, and the beautiful modern matte finish never looks overdone. So I'm just going to swatch these so you can see the colours and what they look like, and then I'm going to test them out. So this is the dark in warm. And that's what it looks like on. And this is the dark neutral. So yeah, I think the dark warm is too dark for me, but the neutral is literally perfect. It is exactly a replica of the current concealer that I'm using, which is from another brand, so we're not going to mention it. So let's just try and test these out. Okay, so I've done my makeup, so I'm just going to go in with the all-nighter waterproof concealer. I'm going to take the colour in dark neutral, because I think that's the best colour for underneath my eyes and possibly my eyebrow. So we're going to see if this is going to really last the test of time. So I'm just going to put some underneath my eyes, just because underneath my eyes they're a little bit darker even with foundation, and then sometimes I like to lighten up my foundation. Light it up. I can't believe I said that. That is so weird. But yeah. And I've just put some on the bridge of my nose, just so that when I do contour, I like to have my nose looking a little bit more illuminated. Already I feel like, even though it's been like just a couple of seconds, the concealer has started to mattify. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows before this starts to all like dry. Okay, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that all in. So I'm just going in my beauty blender just to blend all out. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup. I thought because I'm wearing pink, I might as well just carry on with the pink theme. The first impressions of the all-nighter concealer, along with their eye primer, it's very heavy on the face, but not in a bad way. I felt like though once you put on the concealer, you have to really work with it really fast. You can't just let it set. It's very creamy and easy to apply because it's kind of like in a lip gloss kind of shape. So for example, like the applicator is defined and it's easy to put on. So when I was doing my eyebrows, I didn't need to use any other brush. I just used this and just went on the outline of my eyebrow. Very creamy on. I think the dark warm is a little bit too warm for my skin. So I might just give that to my friend who's a makeup artist, because the dark neutral was perfect for me. I think anything lighter would have been way off the colour. I think sometimes with concealers people go too light and then you start looking like a ghost. But I do feel like the proof is in the name, all nighter, because the moment I put it on I could tell that this concealer was going to last literally the whole night. What I will do is I have a few things to do for the rest of the day, so I'll come back just before I go to bed and show you what it looks like afterwards.
Hey guys, so I'm just winding down from bed. Don't know if I can actually see myself because I'm using my vlogging camera and it doesn't have like a flip screen. So that's, oh, I'm so clumsy. It's like 1:05 now. So yeah, I've been wearing this concealer the whole day, and the last 2 hours just been sitting in my sitting room, and I had the heating on, so that's probably why my face is quite puffy and moist, which is a good thing. I think my concealer is still on thick. Like, I love the way my makeup still looks. It does look a bit sweaty, but it's not like, you know, cracking or anything. I do feel like the proof is in the name. I do feel like this is an all-night concealer. I feel like this is a product I can use when I go out like clubbing, or well, I don't really go clubbing anymore, so no. But if I go out for like drinks or an event, I can wear this concealer because it seems very durable. What I will say, it's very matte, it doesn't move, so once you've applied it, it needs to be on correctly because it does not move whatsoever. It's kind of similar to the eye primer, as in once you've the eye primer on your eyes, it does not move, so you need to make sure it's in the right correct place. It is oil free. I haven't tested if it's waterproof or water resistant because I haven't been out in the rain, but that's not really an issue for me. I think for me, more so having that matte look, which I'm really loving. So yeah, all in all, I'm really loving this concealer, guys, and right now I'm going to bed, as you can hear from my voice. I need to sleep.
So far so good, guys. I'm really loving this concealer. I love how creamy it is. It's very creamy and it's very rich in colour. I know since I've been using the more higher end beauty brands, I've been noticing the difference in my skin. I've been noticing the difference in my makeup. So what do you guys think? Are you loving this look? Is my concealer popping? My eyebrows are growing black and I literally need to go and get them fixed. Susanna, or I don't know her name, Sylvania, whatever the eyebrow woman's name is. I don't know what her name is, but begins with an S. But they need to be fixed. They're not on fleek. I'm using concealer to hide the regrowth. That shit is bad. But this concealer, I think, really helped to snatch those eyebrows because they are in dire need. But that's the end of the video, guys, so I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'd be happy if you share this video. And if you want to see more of me on my social media, you can always follow me on Instagram and my other social media platforms. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to always stay what? Bougie.